thanks to that three persons every day. Every day you should thanks to that three persons. Do you know those who are? Can you think? Can you guess? Can you estimate? Do you know that three persons every day you should say thanks to that three persons? The first person is God. Why? Why would say thanks to God? He is our creator. He is our creator. Every day you are singing one nice, wonderful sloka, Saraswati Namasubhyam. Am I right? You want blessings of God, Saraswati, Goddess Saraswati. Am I right? And one more song is there. You are singing every day. They shall be showers of. How many blessings you want? Showers of blessing means not only one blessing. There is a lot of blessing. You are asking, we need, we plead every day in prayer itself. So my dear children, without God, without God's knowledge, God's thinking, God's power, okay, God guidance, we can't do everything in your life, in our life also. The second person is teacher. Every day you are saying, what is that one? Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru. So the teacher is very important role in your student life. Do you know what is a real teacher? Do you know what is a real teacher? The real teacher is, the real textbook is your teacher itself. Okay, every day they are morning to evening, they are giving, they are inspiring you, they are giving a lot of knowledge. If one teacher will explain some concept or some chapter, they want to refer minimum 2 books. Okay, one period itself, they want to spare 40 minutes. They want to refer 2-3 books compulsory. Because of the teacher must know about that concept or that subject. Okay, every day they are giving their knowledge. They are saying your mistakes, your mistakes, your strength. They are inspiring you. They are guiding you. They are leading you. Without the teacher, without guru, no one can success. The third person must be. Can you guess who is the third person? Yes, parents. They are wonderful supplicators for you. They are supporting. They are investing you. What will you give to your parents in future? Can you think once, now itself? A student life never will come back and back. Okay, the student life, in student life itself, you have to decide yourself. I want to give a great gift to your parents in your student life itself only. They are providing everything you need, everything you want. So every day you have to say thanks to God, teacher and parents. My dear children, without God, without a teacher, without parents, no one can success. Thank you. May God bless you.